This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Welcome back, everyone. Today I'll show you how a hacker can bypass the login page of a Chrome application using DeepSeek. So, without wasting any time, open your browser. This is the Chrome application called Capsule Hub. As you can see, it's asking us to log in. First, open DeepSeek. I already have a prompt that we can use, so I'll copy and paste it into DeepSeek. Now, we need the backend or background code of the Chrome extension, so find it and copy the entire code. Then, paste the code into the DeepSeek chat. Okay, just follow along and try to find the code file with that name, then open it. That's the file we need the backend or background code. Right-click it and open it in a new tab. You'll see the code there. Now copy it and paste it into your DeepSeek chat. OK, type, take the code and I want to bypass the login of Chrome Apply action. OK, give me bypass script for console, then press enter. If it doesn't generate the result the first time, try again. It should provide some JavaScript code. OK, we now have the JavaScript code needed for our authorized login security test. Click the copy button, open the Capsule Hub extension, right-click it, and select Inspect. Navigate to the Console tab. If Chrome initially blocks pasting, follow the displayed instructions to enable pasting. Then paste the copied code into the console and press Enter. Perfect! The login screen has now been bypassed in this test. Click outside the extension and then open the Capsule extension again. A pop-up may appear asking you to reload the extension, but leave it as it is. You can now see that the authentication screen has been bypassed. Next, I'll demonstrate the available functionality, including the Teams section and the ability to create a test user. Finally, I'll create a capsule from the chat and show you the result. Okay, everything appears to be working properly, and you can now see all the available features. Let's test the functionality and verify whether it can successfully create a capsule. Let's take a look. Normally, the extension displays several errors, but after the authentication bypass, those errors no longer appear. The capsule has now been generated successfully, which confirms that the workflow is functioning as demonstrated. I hope you enjoyed the video and gained a clear understanding of how the process works. Keep in mind that this technique won't work on every application and should only be used for authorized security testing.